So it's no surprise that the beach theme is going to do extremely well this summer, and I have created several videos all about finding top trending products that are in the beach theme sweatshirt style. But in today's video, I'm going to share with you how to create this beach theme sweatshirt design, how to actually create that, to upload that to a physical product so that we can have a physical product listed in our Etsy shop. I want to share this all with you coming up next. And one of the main tools that we're going to use today for that is Printify. As you can see here, there are a lot of different things you can choose in regards to what products that you sell. In our case today, we're definitely going to stick with that trend, which are those beach sweatshirts that we can start creating for Etsy listing. But I want to share with you exactly how you will go through the process of actually creating this once you find your design. So with that being said, we're jumping into Printify here. And as you can see very quickly here, the product that we're going to sell is the Gildan 18,000. This product is very good with quality and has sold multiple times on Etsy and has received a lot of best-selling products. We can see the price here, which is $16.55. But of course, if you utilize Printify Premium, you are able to get that at a major discount, therefore keeping more profit in your pocket in the long run. If you want to check out a discount code to use Printify Premium 30 days absolutely for free, I make sure to leave all the details down in my description box below. All right, so when we go to our area here, we can go ahead and open up our sweatshirt. So yes, we do see the price for the shirt or the sweatshirt itself, but you definitely want to go into these additional providers so you see exactly what the price of the shirt is going to be, as well as the shipping time and also the shipping cost. So with that being said, we'll jump over here to show additional providers. Then from here you can see all the different print-on-demand providers that actually offer this product. Now specifically for our design today, we're going to pick a print provider that offers a design to be on the back of the sweatshirt, as that is actually trending right now, and we definitely want to follow that trend. But again, most of these do offer the print on the front and the back, so we definitely want to pick one that does offer that there. Now, one thing I also look at as well is the size options here, because again, all of them do not offer the same size options. As we see here, it starts from small to 5X large, but as you go down a little bit further, Monster Digital just offers the small with the 3X large. So you definitely got to be mindful of who your audience is, what you're selling for. If you are selling those large type of sweatshirts that are trending right now, you definitely got to think about what customer are you creating for and what things are you going to offer in regards to size. So we see obviously the provider's name here, we see the location where they're printing from, we see the actual cost of the product here. Again, you get it at a major discount if you are utilizing Printify Premium, and we see obviously the shipping time as well as the shipping cost, and I see the production time and the colors being offered. Now once you dialed in the exact person you want to choose, in our case today we'll stick with Swift POD, we can head over to start designing, and now you'll be able to see the place where you were able to upload your sweatshirt design. So this is the canvas here that we're going to upload our designs, and obviously we want to stay in the box here because anything outside of this box would not be printed. And again, we have the options from Swift POD to print on the back, the right sleeve, left sleeve, and the neck label as well. In our case today, we're just going to focus on the back of the design here, but what is also trending as well is creating things for the sleeve design here. And so if you do want to go that extra step and provide that extra amount of value for your customers, Swift POD is the way to go, because currently they are the only print-on-demand provider for the sweatshirts that's offering that type of design on the sleeve. All right, so here is the design that we're going to use for our sweatshirt product here. And as you can see, all we did here was went into Kindle, utilize an AI prompt here, which I have it here, which it says beach pastel colors with a sunset in the background, where the text says happiness comes in waves, which is a popular phrase if you have watched my other trending videos with beach sweatshirts. And I asked the AI to use script bold font in a retro style, and this is what it gave us here after a couple of tries. But as you can see, the text is great, the colors are amazing as well, and it fits our overall theme that we are looking for. Now with that being said, all we have to do here is go and remove the background from this design so that we can upload this to our print-on-demand product. So now that we have our design made, let's jump back into Printify, where we're able to upload our design to our space. Again, we want to upload only within this area here, as this is going to be the only spot where we get our design printed. Now with that being said, we can jump over to upload here to my device. We can go over to where we found our design saved, and I have it here. And as you can see, when our design is being uploaded, we definitely want to make sure that our DPI level is somewhat high so that it can remain a high quality print once it is printed out by our print on demand provider. And as you can see here, Printify lets us know that that DPI level is really high. I don't want to go anything lower than 200. So again, I can resize this here, and as I resize it, you can see the DPI level is dropping. But if I get too large here, you can see that the resolution is now going to suffer. But again, I just want to keep it right in the proper space and still keep a high DPI level. And I think we have it here. Now, with that being said, everything is good now for us to actually save this to our print on demand product list that we can upload to our Etsy listing. But if you do want to check out your product before you actually finish, you can head over to preview here as well. But I think this is a great product for us to start selling on our Etsy shop, definitely following the popular trends of creating beach style designs. And because we utilize AI, this saved us so much time and still produce an amazing product, even with the text design itself, for us to sell this right on Etsy. So as you can see, finding amazing products to create is very easy to do once you know the popular phrases and trends that are happening right now, and definitely utilizing a print on demand provider like Printify to actually upload your designs so that you can actually get that sold on Etsy. Now, if you want to learn more about how to make income online with Etsy, check out this next video here, and also subscribe to my channel so you know exactly how to scale your Etsy shop. As always, my friends, my name is Jay, and I will see you in the next video.